being the genius that I am, I decided that I was going to try and program my own physics engine, which turned out about as good as you'd expect. It works ish, but it's got so many bugs, and it's just not good enough to be in a commercial game. But you know, me, a genius, decided to delete my other physics engine that worked perfectly fine. So now I've got to either fix this one or reprogram that one, which sucks. Hey kids, do you want to program a physics engine? The game is taking a huge turn in development. So basically, we're turning this game into a top-down shooter. Well, not top-down, more like a third-person shooter. Originally, it was a platformer, but I just really wasn't feeling it. Boss fights weren't really that interesting, enemies were more of the same, and levels were going to be tricky to design well. And that's when we came up with the idea to make it into a top-down shooter, and I'm really liking the idea a whole lot better. So in the next few seconds, I'm going to showcase to you everything that we've added into the game. Goodness, I'm an idiot. So basically what happened is I spent the last 20 minutes or so programming in a script which let the player fire if they have a revolver in their inventory. And then I spent around an hour after that trying to debug it, and it turns out I was trying to get mouse input with a controller input script. Oh, I'm such an idiot. But I'm going to show you the final product right here. So guys, before this video ends, I just want to mention that we now have a website set up for Electrik Samurai. I spent a couple hours working on it and it looks pretty good overall. I'd really appreciate it if you could check it out. And the game is going to need a lot of more weapons, so please leave in the comments below ideas for weapons. That'd be greatly appreciated. And if you want to playtest the game in the current state it's in right now, there will also be a link in the description. Alright guys, bye.